what, guys? Figured now's no better than now to go over the full majestic description of this truck. Bought it a few days ago for the Hot Rod Power Tour because the Camaro didn't make it. It's a piece of shit. It's got the 4.3 V6. It's dirty as hell. It's got a nice exhaust leak. If you look right down there, you can see that the bolt is missing. It's because of the motor mount is completely shot and just worked that thing right off. My brake fluid is leaking. We haven't been able to figure out exactly where as of yet. We might get some of that flex tape shit or Gorilla tape or something, because we keep putting brake fluid in this thing. And one of the cool things was, I realized this the other night, I guess from the factory, it had this light that you can like remove and turn on. So if you're working on the car, you can get a light, and then it retracts right there, which I thought was pretty cool actually, that was still there. So it locks in and then you just turn it off. So that was pretty cool. Over on the passenger side, you actually have some working doors, which is nice. You got some weight reduction with this strategically placed rust on the fender wells, which helps with the coefficient of drag. Those wind tunnels can get, it's important. Here's the inside of the cap. The inside was absolutely disgusting. It's still disgusting, but it's a little bit better. It's missing the door, the interior door panel. The window isn't really connected, so it falls if you slam it too hard. So like you gotta kind of guide it, and this is about as far as it goes. If I go any further, it's just gonna fall. Oh, there we go. So at least with the rain, you can keep that down, which is nice. We put some beautiful tweed seat covers, because ultimately if we didn't, I'd probably need a tetanus shot. And we just cleaned out the bed, which it looks a million times better than it did. It had this nasty old rubber mat, but surprisingly, the bed is actually in really good shape aside from the fender wells. So this is Ranchero Grand Tool Estates Trailer Park purchase for the 2026 Hot Rod Power Tour, and we were one stop away from completing with this piece of shit. Oh, forgot to mention, massive hole in the fuel tank. We found a leak. Just a little.
Chevy's leak.
Some fuel. There's also a that's brake fluid, so can't fill the tank. What about the fuel tank? Probably can't see it, but I made the mistake of topping off the fuel, and we had to wait probably a good like 15 minutes, 20 minutes for it to stop leaking. So can't go over, can't get anywhere near 3/4 of a tank. There was a lot of electronics put into this car. A lot of electronics. Let me hop on the other side. I'll show you what the other owner did. Invested a lot of money here. It's actually impressive.
Tires are new too. Not that one. That one we did burnouts.
Not only do we have the factory radio, we have a nice, I think a knockoff Alpine, and which this doesn't work, but the super glued double din system works. Nice craftsmanship. It's nice and light and free flowing. It helps keep the unit cool as airflow goes through, especially with the window not being able to close. So this has been fantastic. Hopefully you've enjoyed the tour of Ranchero. Got a nice crack in the windshield. The dash is all banged up. AC doesn't work, but it's okay because we got the window issue, so that works out. Got some cloth separating from the door panel there, and the what else we find out? Oh, the glove box will just fall off. You don't really want to play with it. It will just fall off. So this is the heap. Oh yeah, my rearview mirror fell off twice. This is the heap we've been driving for the Hot Rod Power Tour because the Camaro didn't make it. It's been an adventure.
But it's a 91.
It is
just
a 91,
like the Camaro.
so it's the same age as the Camaro. And I think because I just washed it, I think I'm going to get a little bit more love from it.
So
It's
clean.
gonna show its appreciation and make it home to Mass.
That's gonna make it home to Mass.
Yeah,
I mean, the Monty might push it home, but
but it will make it.
it'll make it.
It will make it. So until next time, guys, be safe. One other favorite thing on this truck is the steering wheel. Now, first off, I really do like the steering wheel. I just realized they were nice enough to shave off some stuff here. But the best part is how easy it is to turn. But you do have to be careful because this thing will do a figure 8 when you decide to turn it. So this has been a lot of fun to drive. This thing.
It's tilt wheel plus
Yeah, it's tilt wheel. That's, you know,
with a twist.
yeah, with a twist is right. It's a figure 8. So, trust the old steering wheel.
We'll do it live.
Do it live.